Hello everyone. Today in this video we're going to learn in Paint how to use the different tools in the toolbox from the toolbox and how to use shapes from the shapes tool. So let's see. The first tool is the pencil tool. Here you can see the pencil tool. A pencil tool is used as your real pencil for your drawing. We can draw straight wavy or curved line with it. So first of all we have to click on the new tab, and then in this tools group we can see the first one is the pencil tool. Just click this tool and here we can set the different size. Okay, so select the width of the line or thicker. Now in the drawing area, drag the mouse and start making drawing. For example, if I want to start from like this. Second is the eraser tool. Eraser tool is just like a real eraser which is used to erase drawing. So select this tool from the tools group, erase tool, so we can use any lines or any drawing in paint. To increase the size of this eraser tool, just hold Ctrl and plus, so we can change the size of the eraser and we can easily erase from the canvas. Second, brushes tool. Brushes tool is used as we use our real paint brush. This is the different types of brushes, so we can use the brushes tools. Okay, we select it and click on the size box and change the size of the brush. I used to select the thicker brush size, and now in the drawing area, drag the mouse and start making drawing. So we can use brushes. There are so many types of brushes, and we can use these different brushes. Okay. Now we are going to see how to use different shapes. We can use the shapes group in paint to draw different types of shapes such as like oval, triangle and arrow. So let's see that. So first of all, I make a new file. Just click on the file tab and click this new option, and we will see how to save our paint file. So just click this. If you don't want to save your file, just click this button, don't save. Now click on the home tab. In the shapes group we can see here so many shapes are available: line tool, curve line tool, ellipse tool, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle, polygon, triangle. And to see the more tools, just click this down arrow button so we can see all the shapes. So first of all, we are going to see how to use this line tool. Just click this line tool. Line tool, we can draw straight line and slanting lines of varying thickness. Now drag the mouse to draw the line and direction. Here we can see that when we draw any line, we can see we have to adjust the lines. Okay, so if you do not want to adjust any line, just hold the shift key and drag your mouse. Now you can make this straight line easily. Second one is the rectangle tool. Just click this rectangle tool. From the home tab, we can draw rectangle and square with rectangle tool. So this is my square and this is the rectangle. Now next is the oval tool. Oval tool is used to draw circle and oval shapes. Click this oval tool and drag the mouse to make oval or circle. We can also draw rounded rectangle, triangle, and other shape by using the above method. Now fill with color. We can fill color in our drawing using fill with color. These two from the tool groups, just click this fill with color tool and select any one color. You can see here click color 1 and color 2. So color 1 is the stroke color or border color, and the color 2 is the color inside your shape. So just select any one color and put this. Just click inside your shape. You can get beautiful fill with color in your shape. Now next is the polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to make a shape with any number of slides. So select the width of line, press left button and drag the mouse. So just select this. First of all, we have to click on the black color, then we can get a black lines. Then click this polygon tool and just drag your mouse down. Okay, this is the one, second, third and fourth. So like this we can get our any shape using a polygon tool. Next is the curve tool. We can draw curves with curve tool. So just make any straight line, diagonal up, down, straight, and then twist and drag to make it. Now next is the text tool. We can write in paint with the help of text tool. So just click this text tool. This is our text tool. In the tools group, just click this text tool and click any place, and here when you click this you can see the formatting of your text. You can set different fonts. You can also set font size. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can also set the color of text also. Okay, and I just type here So just do the practice of this with the different tools in paint and shapes and text tool also. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.